So I put that AWE exhaust in yesterday. I took it for a rip. I did some videos last night, just trying to get the sign and stuff. My neighbor's cutting his grass, if you probably hear that, hopefully not. So I'm going to do, it's the next day, so I'm going to do a cold start on it so you can hear it. And then I'm going to grab my daughter and we're going to go do some like drive-bys and things like that. It's a super nice day today. So this is going to be a cold start on a MK6 GTI with a Unitronic 3-inch stainless steel downpipe, AWE CatBack, and then my car is not a standard GTI. I don't really want to say all the tunes that are on it, but it's got a couple of different tuning packages on it, so it puts out a lot more power than I guess a regular one, which makes it sound a little different. So kind of caveat there. But here's I'm going to set this up for the cold start. Try and get one where it doesn't spin the wheels. There you go. Don't get the speedo. Did it throw you back in the seat?
Yep.
Could you not hold on? Yeah.
I just went back knowing that it might throw me. And I accidentally dropped the kit. So I went back.
Alright, here's 50 in 6th gear. Sounds very good, right? Very respectable. Alright, ready? 5th, 4th, 3rd. You alright back there?
Yeah.
You holding on?
Yep. Oh.